Alright, so this is what's going on now. I'm gonna put those two more of those raised garden. I'm gonna walk on the fence and covering with this pea gravel. I put some cement on the base to keep it stronger. Alright, let's go back to work.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. See the horizon, turn us to
quick update. I'm going to put one of the last raised garden beds, set up the entrance. It came out pretty good actually. Made some boo-boo, but it's okay. So I was going to buy it already made online for like $120, and it sounded to me so cheap. So I built the same for about $100 or less, and this thing is a lifetime. Really? Hey, come on, boy. Hey, don't step here. Alright, let's go.